everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on what you're supposed to do on this assignment. So this is all about Me Monsters. If you look up here, the directions tell us to drag the items that best fit you to the blank space to create your monster. Choose only one option for each colored box, or choose none if the options don't fit you. So we're going to practice and we're going to do me. So Mrs. Horning, I have dark hair. Yes, I do. So you put your mouse on it, you click, and then you drag it while it's clicked. I am an only child. I have a sibling or siblings. That's me. Uh-oh. I'm going to have some wings here, apparently. I like pouting the best. I like smiling the best. I like laughing the best. Or I like scowling the best. A scowl is like you're angry. So if you notice, the hair's in pink. The green here shows whether you're only child, which you're the only one in your family, or you have brothers and sisters. And then this is like your pouty face or what you typically are. And then here we have, do you wear glasses? Yes or no? And I typically don't wear glasses. I just have some for the computer to help my eyes a little bit because it's hard to stare at this all day long. My eyes are neither blue nor brown. I have brown eyes. Yes, I do. I have blue eyes. No, I don't. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to drag this one over. I have a pet dog. Yep. I have a pet bird. I don't have pets. Excuse me for a moment. And we're back. Here we go again. Take 2. So I have brown eyes. Let's see. I have a dog. I decided I have a dog. Let's bring these puppies over here. These are my legs, it looks like. I like bugs. I like the zoo. I have a pet hamster or mouse. I like bugs. They're okay, but I like the zoo. I sure do like the zoo. Ooh, I'm going to be looking weird here. So if you click this top one, it actually turns it for you. So you can turn so that you don't have to be having your legs only going in one direction. So this might be kind of hard, but you guys are more than welcome to give it a shot. There, I could make them arms. Apparently I'm going to have to move my wing a little bit. There we go. And then last but not least, I have lots of hair. I have lots of freckles. And I'm not too freckly or I'm not too hairy. I'd like to say, because my hair's super long, that I have lots of hair. So, my person's got some seriously crazy arms going here. 6 arms and legs together. That's pretty nuts. So this is my monster.